everybody talks about wanting to eat healthy.
Yeah.
And cooking more at home, and we have all the, even the home deliveries of cook it yourself.
Yes.
But somehow they don't do it. Somehow they don't get to cook. Everyone complains that they don't really have time to cook. So what's your advice to patients to how can they can eat healthy if they say they don't have time to cook? What's your simple steps?
Well, if you can't cook, I mean, of course, it's best to cook at home. And believe me, you could whip up a super healthy meal in 15 minutes at home. You just need to know how to do it. But if you don't want to cook at home or you can't, then you're eating on the run or eating on the go. And that can be done. It just takes planning. So you want to carry healthy portable snacks. You want to know how to go into a place where there's a salad bar so you could eat food more in its whole natural state. You want to avoid the process. Simple is good. So when you go to a restaurant, you tell them to hold the salt, to grill rather than fry, to steam vegetables. Simple is best. And you can eat healthy on the go. It just takes planning.
So now you said that you can do a healthy meal in 15 minutes. What's your favorite 15-minute go-to meal?
Oh, putting me on the spot here. I would have to say whole wheat pasta with tomato sauce and herbs and maybe lentils in the tomato sauce for the protein, and again seasoned with herbs.
Right.
I think that's probably...
It's funny, the thing that I've found is that the better stocked my kitchen is, then it's easy to cook and you can do anything
Super
fast.
easy.
So you just have to have some of the ingredients on hand. And I will
Super
cook
easy.
a week's worth of chicken breasts and grill them so that there's always grilled chicken breasts in my house.
Right, and that's a great strategy.
Right.
A lot of times my patients, they use Sunday as the day to prep everything, shop, and then portion size, and then throw it in the freezer, and then everything's ready during the week. You can do it that way, or I prefer to just kind of go in there and whip something up. And really all you need is fresh produce, maybe some kind of beans. Of course, you want to eat more plants, less animals, and some extra virgin olive oil. Fry it up, bake it, bake those vegetables with some extra virgin olive oil and some herbs, and you have roasted vegetables that are delicious, quick, and very healthy.
Well, it's funny, and you mentioned beans and more animal-based proteins than, more plant-based proteins than animal-based proteins. Some people complain that it costs too much to eat healthy, but plant-based proteins, not very expensive at all, so they don't even have a hurdle with that.
Beans are dirt cheap and extremely nutritious. So you're getting the biggest bang for your buck with beans, and it's really unfortunate because Americans haven't really embraced beans, which again is sad because they're inexpensive and they're super healthy, great source of protein, great source of plant antioxidants and fibers. So I think that Americans need to open their minds and their mouths and learn how to incorporate some more beans in there, and you can make quick dinners, lunches with using beans.
All right, eating healthy and eating fast
Yes,
is
on
doable.
a budget too.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you like what you saw today, come to bottomlineinc.com and see even more videos with Dr. Janet Bond Brill. And do me a favor, share it, tell your friends about it, because this is such important information. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of men and women. We want the word out and we want people healthy.